Good to
Hi,
see. Hi, how are you?
very well. Thank you so much for the biryani. It was really nice.
So, coming from you, it means a lot. I think you are the master chef.
Yeah.
But is biryani one of your favorite dishes by any
I love
chance?
biryani. I love biryani. In fact, you will not believe it. Like, I love Lucknowi biryani, and that's what I call from your
Okay, yes.
biryani by kilo. Because by far, with whatever I've tasted in India, whether it's Hyderabadi or whatever, I love Lucknowi biryani.
So,
So it's really nice. In fact, I was traveling outside the country, and some like a friend of mine had called for the Lucknowi biryani. So we are so crazy about the biryani. I enjoyed not just the biryani, but the rest of the things also. Yeah, it was really nice. The korma, the chicken korma, paneer, nawabi. It was really nice.
no, coming from you, it means a lot because I think you are the master chef, the celebrity chef. But I think a lot of people, the audience don't understand, the difference between Hyderabadi, Lucknowi, Calcutta. So at Biryani by Kilo, we do all different kinds of biryanis, korma. So maybe you can yeah, educate the viewers like the differences. Although because a lot of people really like Hyderabadi biryani, but they have never tried the Lucknowi biryani.
I think today the like everybody when it comes to food, they're really well versed, with everything. They know whoever is eating, they know what they're eating and what they want to eat. In fact, I wanted to thank you for the gesture of giving the biryani to all the kids
Yes.
we had sent to, because these kids have they really look forward for some Christmas things, and I try to do as much, some activity,
No,
fun stuff, but them having biryani this Christmas, close to Christmas, means so much to them. So it
no,
was, I think, a very great initiative to help these kids, and
no,
I'm sure they're having fun right now.
no. It was a gesture on both side. We just obeyed your request, but I think it was really heartfelt. I think we also try to do whatever best we can, but
Yeah, so
I,
it's I think when you help, I mean the I mean, I truly believe that kids or people with some kind of a disability, God gives them something so extra special. And, when you feed these kids, what happiness is and what that food means, you truly know, because these kids have, for them, food is something which, and especially like some nice, spicy biryani type of food, or, chicken or pizza, things like that, how kids like. So you should see the happiness on their face. Yeah, it's really
no,
overwhelming. It's so
I,
amazing.
no, I think. But are you associated with this particular charity where we send food today, House of Charity?
Yes, yes. I try to, the kids there are they are really special kids.
Hmm.
So they're just a couple of nuns who have dedicated their life in their service. And it's nothing, they do not publicize, they don't do anything, they're just like a quiet charity home, but people who know just go and help these and I hope that more and more people do. But I do understand there are a lot of people in need, but these kids are being special. They are like and they're so loving, like for little they would just give all of it away. You really get to know what compassion, passion and love truly is.
No,
So
I think so kind and nice of you. I think you know it's really, but I think the kids with special needs, I think they are with special personalities and love and affection also,
mhm.
and we all have to work. आप मुझे एक बार दो चीजें और तो I'll give a very small introduction to the view. आपको तो सब लोग जानते हैं, Chef Shifra, you are the celebrity chef now. But I'll give a very small introduction of Biryani by Kilo for less than a minute, if you allow me.
जी please.
Sure. So, see, I did my engineering at IIT. I come from a, finance background, investment background. And 5 years back, we said कि भाई India की कोई in नहीं है, India wide or worldwide. So we said कि biryani, the delivery business was really catching up. And see, but when we looked around, लोग बिरयानी को bulk में बनाते थे और सिर्फ reheat करके देते थे. We said कि biryani by kilo USP will be that we'll make fresh biryani after the order in the handi, and we'll deliver it in the same handi in which it's dum cooked and with the
Yeah.
best of ingredients and different Hyderabadi, Lucknowi, and all the Nizami cuisine. And by now, we have around 45, 50 outlets in India in 25 cities. And touchwood, thanks
And
to
more to come, and many more to come.
many more to come. So I think,
Absolutely.
आप थोड़ा सा आप how special is biryani or kebabs for you in cooking as a cook?
I mean, one thing that I love Indian food, but one thing that I love about Indian food, which I would take care of how or what I'm eating. I'm careful, but biryani is my weakness. I love biryani more than kebabs or anything. I myself have like so many variations of my own signature biryanis. So, and rice, I think, is a staple in India. We love rice, and biryani makes it a complete meal. I'm sure there are a lot of us who are just biryani lovers. So it's a perfect, menu to have. Let me tell you that, because biryani is really desirable.
Or
It's really nice.
and it's a Indian heritage which we can take to the world.
Absolutely. I don't
And
know a single person who doesn't like biryani.
no, I think uh, that's what is your other cuisines to do, like as a cook or as something you like to eat.
For me, it's very difficult to zero down on one cuisine. I love Peruvian, I love Argentinian, I love Japanese, I love Indian, I love certain things. And, I just love food. So I like Chinese as well. I like Indo-Chinese as well that we get in India. I like Vietnamese. So I have a lot of cuisines. I like Spanish, European, French is something that I never say no to food. Seriously.
So,
So
but,
first I was, yeah.
but आपको although of course everyone knows you are the master chef celebrity cook, but आपको देख के you are so fit, आपको देख के लगता नहीं आप कुछ खाते हो. What is the secret
No,
of your
no.
fitness?
My secret of my fitness is like I eat what I cook. So you
Oh,
have to you have to follow my recipes to stay fit.
uh, but see, Chef Shipra, if you don't mind my being frank, I was reading about you, and your journey is like out of like a movie story. Like, if you ever think you will achieve so much, like doing TV shows all over the world, writing books, you didn't have a formal training in cooking, but still you've achieved so much.
Yes, and I've traveled extensively. I've learned with the best of chefs, right from Michelin star to local chefs. So I've had a lot of experience and in
Yes.
food. I'm a big foodie myself. And of course, I think all of us need to be strong. I think it's all about your, how in a in a distressful time, how well you can hold on to yourself, how well you can come up or with above all obstacles in your life. I don't believe that life is smooth for everyone or someone. It's never like that. Life is, it's a blend of ups and downs. So, and I mean, life gives you strength. The problems that you have in life, it always, there's something or the other which is very inspirational and which can get you back to life. It's just that you have to hold on to it. And I do believe that faith is a very, very big factor for any of us to survive. So,
So,
yeah, and God gives strength to all.
आपका faith किस चीज से आता है? Because the kind of conviction, kind of focus you have done, and you've got so much success because of that.
See,
आपका
frankly speaking, mera inspiration, I look for, I don't look for inspiration actually, to be
Hmm.
honest. If somebody is like out in the sun working, even like help at home, or people who work for me, or people I know, or even somebody on the street, or the kids, anybody who's working hard is just, he or she just gives me a lot of inspiration. Like when I see people like these kids that we fed today, I mean, going there, spending some time with them, that gives me a lot of inspiration. I do believe in compassion, and that compassion gives me a lot of strength. I love to cook and I love to feed as well. That gives me a lot of strength. That gives me a lot of inspiration. And I think, when you are in a state where you can, feed somebody, I think that's the biggest deed you can do, more than feeding your own self or anyone. Give food or share your food with somebody who really is hungry and who really would respect it. So even for my shoot, like I was shooting right now, and I just cook, and I like to like all everybody there to eat. So all my shoots, I'm like, feeding people, I'm cooking and feeding my crew, and that gives people, when they eat and they like, appreciate food, or they like the food I've cooked, that inspires me a lot. So
नहीं, मुझे आपकी ना बात सुन के एक्चुअली आई नाउ नो व्हाट इंस्पायर्स यू, बिकॉज थोड़ा पीपल थिंक उनको सेलिब्रिटीज इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं या सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ वेल्थ और फेम, बट आई थिंक इन योर केस व्हेन यू से ना अबाउट फीडिंग पीपल और पीपल हु आर हार्ड वर्किंग, दे इंस्पायर यू. सो आई
yeah.
थिंक very
So, no,
very
I think, that's the right way to go, because I think the world we really lack compassion. We need compassion in this world. The only thing that we need right now, I mean, everybody says they need money. Yes, you do need money, but you need to have compassion. You need to have that empathy with the other human being, And I think this pandemic has really taught us that. Like, you have to give to, it's a full circle. You have to give. If you are in that position where God has been kind to you, you should be kind to others. That's what I believe. And that's what my motto is, There's no end to success. There's no end to fame. There's no end to money. But the only thing that takes you ahead is compassion. That's what I believe in.
No, I think it's a very, very strong message, and I think if I'm a philosophical person, and I think we are ethically coded to give. We don't realize it, but once we give, we are
I actually don't think that it's like, it's not even about, like you have to be so this. I mean, it's just being, compassionate. I mean, one word that comes to my mind is being compassionate. That's it.
And no, I think so. I think you have a very, very noble heart. I don't mind myself. I read about, but I think you also have a child with. So I think compassion, where I think that what drives people. I think the right values to drive, as you rightly said, is the compassion and the hard work of people and how to help them.
जी बिल्कुल.
To strength, cook great food. If you want to feed people, you want people to be happy. So now we know what makes a good cook, and what
Yeah.
and what
Thank
makes.
you.
Okay,
And
thank
it
you so
was,
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. Love you all, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't speak with you, but I can see a lot of messages coming.
And keep
And
trying.
thank you.
In whichever city you go, we are in more than 20-25 cities: Bombay, Pune, Jaipur, Calcutta.
Wonderful. I will definitely try this, and thank you. And I really pray that you open many, many, many more branches.
No, thank you so much, and it was a pleasure talking. Thank you so much.
Likewise. Thank you. Good night. Bye.